Well, let's go build this planter box today. Well, today I'm going to make some planter stands. I've got some scrap 2x4s here I'm going to use, and got this planter box from Home Depot, and it's approximately, well, 15 and 3/4 square. But what I'm going to first do, because I don't need a heavy 2x around this planter, is I'm going to resaw these 2x, and I'll get more material out of it and make a lighter stand. So let's resaw first. Well, I figured 5/8 thickness should be plenty. With my 2x now cut down to about 5/8 of an inch, just using a stop block, I'll cut them to length. I've got all the slats cut now for the sides, and according to my calculation, I needed 10 at 15 1/4 and 10 at 19 3/4. And I also cut 4 1.5 inch square pieces for the sides to attach to. So now what I'll do is fill some of these holes, and then we'll go ahead and sand them. Now I decided to put a slight bevel on the legs to kind of make it look a little less thick, if you will, once it's on the ground. So I just iron it about a 30, what I got here, 30 degrees. And once I put one on, kind of just eye it up. We're not building pianos here. Now it's time to paint. paint them black, of course, as you see. And I'm using this, rust-ollum enamel, oil-based. First time I'm trying this. By the way, I'm using these Harbor Freight Advanti brush, and I found, geez, these are decent brushes. Pretty good. They clean up real nice. Last a long time. I've been using them quite a few years now. Just a little side note there. Well, we'll just keep painting these. I'll get back to you here. A few minutes after I get these done. Well, I've got the first coat on 3 sides. Guess I gotta wait about 24 hours for this to dry. We'll flip it around and do the other side. I'm gonna use 18 gauge 1 1/4" stainless steels. I'm going to start at the top. Just use some spacers and just keep going. Well, we got one short side done. Go on, get the rest now. Now we'll do the long side. Well, all painted now and sides are put on. And what I did, a couple braces in here. I didn't paint those yet. I wanted to kind of make sure they turned up on the camera better. This will hold my planter. Let's see if it'll fit. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now we'll put the frame, paint this, put the frame around the top. Well, here's my cedar fence post. I'm going to rip down the middle and get about 2.25 inches. That will be the top of my planter. And I'll put my in-feed extension cable on. Just to give a little more support for these long boards. Well, one of the final pieces to the planter box is a little frame on the top. And I just cut that and mitered that from a cedar fence post. And just got a board here just to use as a spacer to get started. I use some construction adhesive. I'll put a couple coats of WaterGuard waterproofer on it. I'll let that dry, put one more coat on, and then we'll be ready for a plant or two. Well, there you have it. Very inexpensive way to make a planter box. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next project.